Hi, I'm Josh Neal from Alpha Level. I'm the Chief Technical Officer and one of the founders. Alpha Level is a precision threat detection company. We want to ensure that our analysts are receiving the right alerts, those which are rich in true positives. Our first technology is called the Alert Refinery. It plugs into your alert streams, does some processing in near real time, and identifies up to 87.5% of the alerts as benign or duplicate. Those are then repopulated back into your alert queue so that you can ensure that you're looking at the right alerts and not a lot of garbage and noise. So we were looking for a partner who took us very carefully through a design process because those are the skills we don't have. And we interviewed several design companies for a UX design. We're impressed immediately with the sort of comprehensive and careful nature of Zeb. Maybe a short answer is that you make it easy for us to work with you and get the value that we need out of you. It was a high quality design process. The process was good, linear and efficient. And then the net results were of high quality. The design itself, after all of that process was run, was extremely good, and I think a real differentiator for our company. Zeb was providing industry standard knowledge that this is what people expect, this is how this should look, you need to put this here and this needs to go over there. That was sort of from the beginning. This is that sort of proper user design every step of the way. We felt like we had an expert team giving us the right answers to conform with the industry expectations and user expectations that are already out there. I would highly recommend Zeb for user experience and user and design. Why? The process made it easy for us. After that first meeting, my time would be used efficiently, and and the insights from the team and the feedback we were giving to Zeb would be captured and reflected in the next meeting. They were hearing us and adjusting to us. The flexibility of Zeb to absorb our dynamics and crazy ideas and 4 people throwing out stuff. It was very agile. There was sort of an immediate, yeah, I hear you, and we can do that. And that was the reaction from the Zeb team the entire time. Was they just were able to handle all our crazy ideas, make them happen. And there were times when Zeb would say, you probably should do this and not that, and sort of correct us. And those were good suggestions too. So I think there was sort of a combination of taking our needs and requirements, but also kind of guiding us into what the right thing was. Again, efficient, but also just not difficult, I couldn't confuse the team. They never got confused or misinterpreted something we said. They just did the right thing. So if I was to wrap up the whole thing, it's like it was easy. It was easy for us to get a great design.